Welcome back. Today we're going to make the best scones ever made. First of all, you need flour, sugar, butter, salt, milk and sultanas. Measure 500 grams of flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a tablespoon of salt. Add 120 grams of softened butter. Start to mix with your fingertips until you get a breadcrumb texture. Now add in a cup of sugar and a cup of milk. Mix the batter and add in about 50 grams of sultanas. Lightly flour your working area and start to fold the dough. Be careful not to overwork it. Roll out the dough into 2 centimeters of thickness. Using a cookie cutter or a cup, cut out your desired shape of scones. Remove the scones and fold the remaining dough back into a ball and start rolling to make the rest of the scones. Line up a baking tray with parchment paper and place your scones. Leave enough space for the scones to rise. Apply an egg wash on each of the scones. Bake for 195 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Enjoy your afternoon tea with some scones, cream and jam. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. And to watch more cooking on a budget videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Great.